Hi, third graders. We're going to check our work for DLA Day 1. It's week 30, and we are on Monday today. So let's look at the directions for number 1. It says, replace each underlined pronoun with a proper noun. So a pronoun is a word that can take the place of a noun. And then we know that a proper noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. So let's look here. It says, he doesn't understand his math homework. So he is the pronoun replacing the name of somebody because we're replacing it with a proper noun. So if you put the name of a boy, then that will be replacing the pronoun with a proper noun. So I'm going to use the word Hunter. That is my son. So I'm going to put Hunter doesn't understand his math homework. So I'm just replacing he with the name of a person. If you got that right, or whoever you put, give yourself a star. Number 2, Jordan will give her the pages to read. So her is a pronoun replacing the name of a girl. So whatever you want to put here for the name of a girl would replace this pronoun with a proper noun. And I'm going to put the name Mary. Jordan will give Mary the pages to read. So her can be replaced with a girl's name. If you got that right, give yourself a star. Number 3, does the following word have a prefix or a suffix? Remember, prefixes come at the beginning of a word, a suffix comes at the end, and we have the word easily. So the base word here would be easy. So do we have some letters added at the beginning or at the end of the word? If you look here, we see that we have the suffix ly. So this word has a suffix because it's added at the end of the word. All right, if you got that right, give yourself a star. Number 4, correct these sentences. We're only allowed to watch 1 hour of television on Saturdays. When I did the directions on this one, I actually read it differently. So now I'm going to have to change what I wrote. So we're going to first start with the capital W because we start with the beginning of the sentence. And this word is made up of we and are, but it's taking out the A, so it should be replaced with an apostrophe. So we're going to insert an apostrophe between the E and the R. So it would be were, like we are, only allowed to watch 1 hour. So this hour is the wrong hour. We're looking for the time hour, H-O-U-R, 1 hour of television on Saturdays. Capital S. And then it's a statement, so we're going to put a period at the end. Now, I read this differently. Here's what I wrote. I said were, so I had that right, only allowed to watch 1 of our television, and then I inserted the word shows on Saturdays. So I read this a little bit differently than it said now that I'm looking back on it. So I thought that they mixed the 2 words up here, and it should have been 1 of our television, shows on Saturdays. So however you want to change it is okay with me. Just make sure it's written correctly. Okay, number 5. Did you vote for Ben, Lilly, or Armond for class president? So we're going to start with a capital. And then I'm pretty sure this isn't asking for the name Ben Lilly. So we probably need to make sure that we have a comma in between Ben and Lilly, and also capital letters for Ben and Lilly because they are proper nouns. Then Armond needs a capital, and we also need to put a comma after the word Lilly. Ben, Lilly, or Armond for class president, and we're asking a question, so we're going to put a question mark. And I wrote the sentence out here. Did you vote for capital Ben, comma, Lilly, comma, or Armond for class president? Question mark. All right, if you got all those right, give yourself a star. If you need to pause the video, please fix it or pause it so you can fix it. Okay, so let's see here. We're looking at number 1. It's talking about math homework. So I want to see some sort of math problem written by you. Let's see what you come up with. All right, we'll see you next time. Good job checking your work.